Hello, my name is Mike Draper with NuClean Pro, and I'm joined today by Ward Prine. We're going to talk about using your NuClean Pro technology to wash meats, in this case poultry, and also your fruits and vegetables, as we discussed in other videos. Since 2001, the USDA and FDA had approved the use of aqueous ozone in industrial food processing plants as an antimicrobial rinse on fruits, vegetables, and meat. And so what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate how you can use it with poultry and its impact on cleanliness of surfaces.
So Mike, what we're going to use today to help assist us on how clean a surface is, this is called a Hygiena ATP Monitor. They use these in hospitals to clean the surfaces or help determine how clean a surface is in hospital patient rooms. So basically what we're doing is we're going to measure the level of ATP. ATP, adenosine triphosphate, is a living molecule in any living organism whatsoever. So basically what we want to do is show that we don't have any living organisms on this surface after we test.
Okay, so I've cut some chicken breast here on the counter. I'm going to swap it around there, get a little bit of chicken on the surface.
And what I'm going to do is swab the surface just like they do in hospitals, very thoroughly. So it's on the swab, put it in the holder, and then we're going to put it right into the monitor itself, and within 15 seconds we're going to find out what kind of number we have. And the goal here is to have a low number after we apply our solution on the surface. I'm guessing right now that we're going to have a pretty high number that's off of this ATP reading.
And while we're waiting for that, I'm going to go ahead and wash this cutting board. Okay, and you'll see that what I'm doing is I'm basically rinsing off the surface with the NuClean Pro solution, not using any soaps, no detergents at all. We're just going to wash the surface here, and then we're going to take another reading with the same monitor to see how clean that cutting board is.
So Mike, we had a reading of 72 on the ATP monitor when the chicken was on there. So now we want to have a low number. Do the same process. Put it into the monitor. Takes 15 seconds to calibrate. And now we're going to find out how low we are.
And just for a reference point, that 72 reading is really not that bad, but in a hospital setting or in a food processor setting, if they were to test and come up with a 72 on a surface, they'd have to come back in and re-clean, correct?
That is correct, Mike. And we're at now a 2, which is a very clean surface showing very little ATP on the surface itself.